So here's another question on linear and non-linear equations. So this is from the 2023 deferred exam, paper 1, question 3c. Solve the simultaneous equations x minus y equals 2, x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. I suppose it's important to identify this is the linear equation because the highest power of x and y is 1, and this is the non-linear equation. The powers of x and y are more than 1. Just be careful for one that could come up if it was x times y, which would be a non-linear equation as well. Anyway, proceeding forward here, so you identify the non-linear equation, or sorry, the linear equation, and then you solve for x and y. So in this case, the 1x is the path of least resistance. It's a positive 1x all day long. Add y and add y over here. Job done. One step finito. Step number 2. Get your non-linear equation, and now we're going to sub in for x. 2 plus y. Sub it in. Once you've got that done, and you're going to square this fella out. So 2 squared is 4. So square the first. 2 squared is 4. Square the last. Plus y to be squared is plus y squared. 2 times the first. 2 times 2 is 4. Times y is 4y. Lovely. So let's square the first. Square the last. 2 times the first times the last. Then we've got our add plus y squared equals 10. Tidying up a bit here. We're going to get y squared plus y squared is 2y squared plus 4y. Then we have a plus 4, but we also, if we take away 10 from the right, we'll be left with 0. If we take away 10 from the left, 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So there we get that answer. Do we have any highest common factor between 2, 4 and 6? Well, 2 will divide into all 3, so let's divide by that. 2y squared divided by 2 is y squared. 4y divided by 2 is 2y. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. Now we've got to factorize. We set it up here, we've got our y at the start, and we need a factor pair is a 3, which is just 1 and 3 because it's a prime number, and that pair must add or subtract to give us the middle number, and must multiply to give us the end number. So 3 minus 1 will give us 2, and there's our two factors, y minus 1 and times y plus 3. Now, next part, both of these multiplied together give you an answer of 0. So either this one is 0, or this one, or both of them maybe is 0. So what answer for y here will make this part equal to 0? If y is 1, because 1 minus 1 is 0, so y will be 1. And over here, what answer for y will make this 0? Y will be minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0, so that's why y is minus 3. So after all of that, we found our y values, and we now need to find our corresponding x values. So we picked this simple equation here. We've already manipulated, set up my t, get my values for y is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. We're going to sub them in here. So it's going to be 2 plus 1 and 2 plus minus 3. Of course, when we remove the brackets, that will be 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. This will be 2 plus 1 is 3. And last but not least, write down the coordinate pairings, x before y. So x is 3, y is 1, x is minus 1, y is minus 3. And that is the answer to that question.